Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can use AirDrops on your iPhone. So to get started, from your home screen of your iPhone, scroll down right hand side and now you will be seeing the option called accessories, and since you add in the home app will appear here, go ahead and tap on that open home. So once you tap on it, there is like many options available right in here. Now here you can see the option called AirDrop. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see three options right here: receiving off, contacts only, and everyone for 10 minutes. Now you can select any options of your choice. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.